Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Come, me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, me, me. Yeah, it's my alarm. Good morning, world. I think it's warm enough to curling articles. It might not be just in case. I don't know a single person that would want to get frostbite. Give me that. Let me put this right here. Okay, I'm done. Kiki, wake up. Turn the lights on. Turn this one on to open the lights. Turn this light on. La la la. I think before I do anything, I gotta take a shower. Piper's gonna be playing with her toys. Okay, have fun, Piper. I need to go cook breakfast. So I don't really know what to cook for breakfast because there's not a lot. What do you guys think I should make? Oh, what was that big bang? Ah! We shouldn't worry about it too much. Hey, that man! I heard it again. Let me go see. Ah, who are you? Get out! Ah! Can I come in? It's freezing outside. I have nowhere else to go. Yeah, sure. How old are you? 15. Only 15, maybe you're out here by yourself. You must be tired. I am, duh. Just gonna relax a little bit up here. Oh, he must be really tired. Can stay here until he finds a place. What would you like? Oh no, I'm starving though. So, whatever you can make. Okay, perfect. Okay, now let me just cook some breakfast. I'll give him some ramen. So let me get this, and then this, and let me get him a drink. It's done. Okay, thanks. Where's your parents? I don't know. They just disappeared. Oh. And also, there's somebody crying. What? Oh, that's my niece. Your niece? What happened to her mom? A long story. Okay, just eat it. Can I stay for the night? I don't have anywhere to go. Yeah, of course. You can just stay right here. Okay. Here. Well, I can wash them. No, don't worry about it. You played Hello Neighbor too. It's a jump scare game. Here you go, Piper. Thank you for letting me stay the night. No problem. Also, I never got your name. Zach. Okay, Zach. Okay. I'm just gonna put this in. This is boring. This actually looks kind of fun. Oh. Guess I'm just gonna watch this. Okay. Now I just need to put this right here for future room. And then he's gonna stay for a few nights. Hey, can you watch Piper? I need to take like a shower. Yeah. Okay, finished taking my shower. I really need to get a clothes wash. I don't know what it's called. Okay, now I'm just gonna... Why are these scissors in the floor? Oh. Okay, thank you for watching. Well, I gotta go. My parents just called me. Okay, bye. Bye. I just had the perfect idea. What if I can open up an orphanage when I'm older? Without the same man, how am I going to take care of all those kids? I can't even take care of one, which is you, Piper. Well, I gotta get to work. It's time for you to have your breakfast. Have a lot of baby food in here. And also let's put some like, oh, I drink it. There. Want me to wash it? Well, that's done. I hope we don't stay like this, like place for long. What is this? I have no idea what that is. And it's freezing, so I need to put you on this. Oh, let me see. Oh, this thing's ice. Frozen ice. I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit. Oh, look at these plants. Apple? Can't eat it. I think it's just for decoration. I never noticed this fruit bowl. It's kind of cool. Oh, and then I have not noticed that wasn't here. Let's just put all of them right here, you know? Because what?